হেল্ল' ষ্টুডেণ্টছ আজি আমি এখন নাটক আলোচনা কৰিম। নাটকখনৰ নাম হৈছে লাইটছ আউট আৰু দ্য প্লে ৱাজ ৰিটেন ইন 1982 বাই মঞ্জুলা পদ্মনাভন। চ' নাটকখন বড়োলেণ্ড ইউনিভাৰ্চিটিৰ যিবিলাক মাষ্টাৰ্ছ ডিগ্ৰী ইংলিছৰ ষ্টুডেণ্টছ আছে তেওঁলোকৰ ছেকেণ্ড ছেমত লাগে এই নাটকখন। আনহাতে গুৱাহাটী ইউনিভাৰ্চিটিৰ যিবিলাক CBCS ষ্টুডেণ্টছ মেজৰ লোৱা আছে ছেকেণ্ড ছেমিষ্টাৰত তেওঁলোককো এই নাটকখন লাগে। চ' দিছ ইজ দ্য ড্ৰামা টুডে উই আৰ ডিছকাছিং। My class is for basically for our students of MA in English in our college, but there basically we will discuss the storyline. We will not go deep into critical analysis. We will try to tell you the story, what happens in the play. যে নাটকখনত actually কি ঘটে। So এই নাটকখনত কি হৈছে actually, this drama tells about the apathy towards society. So lack of emotion, আমাৰ যিটো emotionৰ যিটো অভাৱ regarding that we are a social being. So how far are we responsible towards the society? So এই নাটকখনত কি হৈছে, মিডল ক্লাছ হাজবেণ্ড এণ্ড ৱাইফ, হাজবেণ্ডজনৰ নাম হৈছে ভাস্কৰ আৰু ৱাইফজনীৰ নাম হৈছে লীলা। So they are both husband and wife, Bhaskar and Leela. They belong to upper middle class. And where they reside, তেওঁলোক ক'ত বাস কৰে, where they live in a 6th floor apartment in Bombay. In that time it was called Bombay, now it's Mumbai. So the drama was actually based on a real incident that happened in 1982. 1982 চনত সান্তা ক্ৰুজত হৈছিল মুম্বাইৰ। এটা গ্যাং ৰেপ হৈছিলে, এটা বিল্ডিঙৰ ওচৰতে, এটা এপাৰ্টমেণ্টৰ ওচৰতে হৈছিলে। ইন আ নিয়াৰ বাই দ্য ৰিয়েল ইভেণ্ট, ইন এ নিয়াৰ বাই বিল্ডিং a gang rape was going on over a periods of time, but not a single inhabitant of that locality interfere in that matter. So Manjula Padmanabhan actually took the resource from eyewitness, and that was reported in a newspaper. So middle class wife, husband Bhaskar and wife Leela, they reside in the 6th floor apartment. Aru monsokhonor jitu direction hoise dining cum bedroom. monsokhonor in the back side, in the rear of the stage, there is a window. Ekhon khiriki ase, aru that window is the focal point. Hey khiriki khone diye mane amar নাটকখনত লীলাই কিছুমান চিঞৰ শুনিবলৈ পায়। Actually both Leela and Bhaskar, they have been hearing screams and outcries of women, maybe a single woman or maybe a different women. When you read the play, you see that it may be different women. So Leela is very much depressed, and whenever she hears that screaming of women, she feels anxiety, and she is deadly in fear. She is very frightful, and she is like hysteric. Leela actually এই যিটো চিঞৰ খিৰিকি দি আহে, it is at a particular time at night actually when you read the play. কিন্তু লীলাই এই ইমান so much she is depressed. নাটকখনৰ প্ৰথমতে এইটো আছে যে লীলাই কয় যেতিয়া ভাস্কৰ গধূলি ঘৰলৈকে আহে চাহ খোৱাৰ সময়ত, যে তোমাক যে পুলিচক, have you called the police? I wanted you to call the police. I told you because of that screaming coming inside through the window. So but Bhaskar tries to ignore Leela. So this is about patriarchy, and feminism is also there. ভাস্কৰৰ মতে আমি এনে অকাৰণতে বেলেগৰ কথাত মাত মাতিব নালাগে, আৰু প্ৰথমতে কয় যে the police will ignore such silly things, and they will investigate, they will ask you many things like that. So Leela mane kenekwa, she actually becomes hysteric. She is very much oppressed regarding the sound. Prothomote ase natokkhonor, at first it was only at the time it was going on, jetia choli asil ei sior bakhor bilak tetia tai khunisil. Then as soon as it got dark, then around tea time when the children came home from school, then in the middle of the day whenever the doorbell rang, then in the morning, and now from the moment I wake up, the very moment Leela wakes up, she begins or she starts hearing that sound. But Bhaskar ignores. He doesn't want to stick his neck. এই ফ্ৰেজটো ইউজ কৰে। এইবিলাক আৰু পুলিচেতো তোমাৰ কথা নুশুনিবা, আৰু ইয়াত বহুত মানুহ আছে। Why should we go and see and why should we protest? So এনেকৈ থাকে আৰু আমি খুব কম সময়ত ক'ব লাগিব। এতিয়া 5 মিনিট হ'ল, আমি ইয়াত বহুত কথা আছে, আমি ডিছকাছ কৰি যাম পিছত একোটা পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ টপিক লৈ পেলাই। মোৰ উদ্দেশ্য হৈছে কাহিনীটো কোৱা ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকলক। My purpose in this video is to tell the story. Already 6 minutes. I am, very rapidly I am going with the story. Okay, listen. Tinitai scene natokhono. There are 3 scenes in the play. Now scene 2. Scene 2, another character Mohan appears. Mohan is the friend of Bhaskar, So Mohan, in scene 2, Mohan appears. So they discuss about the matter, what was going on, Leela didn't know that actually Mohan came to see. So, but Mohan also, the outcry or the screaming of the women actually did not compel them to do any action. It becomes a matter of discussion for them, for all the male characters, Mohan, Bhaskar, they discuss only, they do not do any action, they do not go for help. But Leela as a woman, she is sensitive because she is also a woman, and a woman is molested outside a locality in a nearby building, in her apartment, and she has a mind to help, she wants to call the police and she wants to interfere. But Mohan, here voyeurism is here, that one who looks at a particular thing and gets pleasure but doesn't want to interfere. So Mohan here what says? Mohan says that they discuss. It may be religious. Mohan actually calls all these things, the screaming of a woman coming through the window. He says it may be religious. Bibhinno discussion hoy. The key hoy. Actually key hoy. Lights bilak kintu on hoy thake. Street lights are on, and the lights of the apartment of Bhaskar's, and in the apartment they switch off the light, but the culprits, the assailants, the gundas, they do everything in light, and so it is one kind of exhibitionism, na? It was a ritual ceremony, and the sound of drums are also heard, drummer shobdo ahe. So enekwa jetia teoloke discuss kori kintu soa nai etialoke bostutu, they only discuss, and all the violence is expressed through the dialogues, conversations among the characters. Violence is outside the stage, This is a theatrical technique. We will talk about later on about it. So Mohan says, it's just that, all the descriptions, the screaming, the wild abandon, the exhibitionism, yes, even the nakedness, what it could be, what would explain everything. Bhaskar says, no, what? Mohan says, a religious ceremony, sacred rites. So they call it religious ceremony. So they go on discussing. Maybe it's a religious ceremony, but I don't know anything. These sounds hurts me. It has to be stopped if it is religious ceremony. Then Mohan, to justify, he even gives reference to Indian constitution, and he say that we can't interfere another one's religious sentiment. Here he says, our constitution guarantees us the freedom of worship as we please. So they go on discussing. Then in scene 3, in another one husband and couple appears, Naina actually. Suddenly actually, just like a surprising visit, so Naina appears on stage. That means to Leela's house, Naina comes. Actually their car got shortage of petrol, and the husband Surinder, he went, he has left to fetch some petrol, and and Naina visits Leela. It was 9:30 in the play, 9:30. So by the time in what happens in second, আমি অকণ উভতি আহিছোঁ, second scene or in scene 2, what happens, Mohan sees the, actually প্ৰথমতে যিটো চিঞৰ, the screaming was very low, it was only, it was known to the audience through conversations, but gradually what happens, in scene 3, the outcry or the screaming becomes conspicuous. স্পষ্ট হয়, মঞ্চৰ পৰা শুনা যায়, oh help me, like that, please help me, let me go, like that. So মোহনে যেতিয়া কয় কি এইটো আৰম্ভ হ'বৰ হৈছে নেকি, এই চিঞৰ শুনিছোঁ মই, তেতিয়া কি হয়, তেওঁলোকে তেতিয়া ডাইনিং টেবুলত বহে, মাজত এখন বাৰ যেন আছে এনেকুৱা, তাৰ পাছত খিৰিকীৰ কাষত ডাইনিং ৰুমটো মঞ্চত এনেকুৱাকৈ, আৰু ফ্ৰাইডা নামৰ এজন ছাৰ্ভেণ্ট আছে, তাই কামবিলাক কৰি থাকে. The servant is Frida. She is silent throughout the place. She never speaks, but her existence is felt, So dining table is ready. They sit, but now the electrical lights are off. Lights are switched off, and they light candles, and the candles illuminate, and the lights from outside come inside. So this is the scenario. Enate Naina ahe. 3 number scene Naina ahe. So Naina কয়, oh আগৰবাৰ যেতিয়া মই আহিছিলোঁ, when last time I came, that time was also there is an electricity, is a power supply problem, then Leela says, no, not power supply problem, actually lights are switched off, then suddenly the sound comes. Naina also says, what is it? এনেকুৱা লাহে লাহে discussion goes on. So then Nina তাৰ পাছত আকৌ এবাৰ নেনা অহাৰ আগতেই, before Naina comes, আকৌ মানে তেওঁলোকৰ ডিছকাশ্যন কৰি কৰি এবাৰ ৰিলিজিয়াছ চেৰেমনি নাম দিয়ে, আকৌ এবাৰ কি কয়, এক্সৰচিজিম বুলিও কয়, এক্সৰচিজিম বুলিও কয়, 46 পেজত নেনা ওলাই নাটকখনত, 44 পেজ, আমি অকণ বেক হৈ আহিছোঁ. We are back now in page 46. Naina appears in scene 3rd, the friend, school friend of Leela. We are back, in page 44, So page 44 again Mohan says, they are discussing. So page 44 Mohan says that এইটো actually religious ceremony নহয়, তেতিয়া তেওঁলোকে যেতিয়া কথা পাতি থাকে, conversation go on, তেতিয়া কয় এইটো হেৰি এক্সৰচিজিমো হ'ব পাৰে. এক্সৰচিজিম means what? Suppose our people believe that sometimes a woman is possessed by evil spirit. The woman's body is captured by evil spirit, and the woman is inflicted to push the evil out of her body. So আমি ভূত খেদা বুলি যিটো কওঁ, এক্সৰচিজিম. গতিকে ইয়াতে এক্সৰচিজিম বুলিও মানে ক'ব খোজে মোহনে. An exorcism, Mohan says. Well, I never thought of that. তেতিয়া ভাস্কৰক মই ভাবাই নাছিলোঁ এক্সৰচিজিমো হ'ব পাৰে. আৰু ইভেন এনেকুৱা তুলুঙালৈকে যায়, ভাস্কৰে কয়, well, illiterate people believe that when a demon possesses a woman, it is always via the lower orifice, lower opening. That means, that's why, they are torturing, they are pulling apart her legs, because they believe that through the lower opening the evil spirit enter, like that. So often in an exorcism, the possessed person is already in great agony, the turmoil and screams loudly and recklessly, convulsions, sometimes in a hoarse, unnatural voice. And এইটোও যুক্তি দিয়ে যে এই যে আমি চিঞৰটোত এটা গাৰ্গলিঙৰ নিচিনা শব্দ শুনিছোঁ, তাক টৰ্চাৰ কৰোঁতে ইনফ্লিক্টেড ব্লাড আহিছে, চ' সেই ব্লাডত গাৰ্গলিঙৰ শব্দ উঠিছে, এনেকুৱা বহুত কথা যি হওক. তেতিয়া নেইনাই কি কৰে, নেইনা একচুৱেলি ফাৰ্ষ্ট অফ অল নেইনা ফাইনেলাইজ, নেইনাই খিৰিকিৰে চায়, নেইনাই যেতিয়া খিৰিকি দিয়ে চায়, Naina, first time says the male characters, no, it's gang rape going on. A woman is tortured. A woman is, molested. So she says, when she peeps through the window, three men holding down one woman with her legs pulled apart, while the fourth thrust his organ into her. What would you call that? A poetry reading? Tete Bhaskare koi. But the beating, the brutality, if all that they wanted was a little sex, why would they go to the trouble of so much violence? যদি তেওঁলোকে সেক্সে কৰিব খুজিছে তেওঁলোকে ইমান ভায়োলেন্স why they are beating drums and doing violence, inflicted, they have been inflicting tortures on the women. Why so much exhibitionism? Even যেতিয়া ফাইনেলাইজ হয় যে a woman is being raped outside, তেতিয়াও কিন্তু no action takes place. তাৰ পিছত আকৌ ভাস্কৰে কয় she could be a whore, that means ভাস্কৰৰ মতে she may be a prostitute. যদি বেশ্যা হয় তেতিয়া we cannot call it a sexual harassment. তেতিয়া ভাস্কৰে কয় if she is a whore, Leela, then this is not rape. So on, what grounds could we call the police? তেতিয়া আমি পুলিচক কেতিয়া কম? তেতিয়া নেইনাই কয় rape is when a woman is forced to have sex. Actually, in definition, that is, there may be rape between husband and wife. If you go to the sexuology and read that, this is one definition. Anyway, so we are ending 16 minutes. Many things. My purpose is to tell the story. So, প্ৰথম সিনত কি হল বুজি পাইছা তোমালোকে? দ্বিতীয় সিনত মোহন আহিল, মোহন আৰু ভাস্কৰে তেওঁলোকে লীলাক অলপ গুৰুত্ব দিয়া নাই, তেওঁলোকে বেলেগ বেলেগ ডিসকাস কৰি আছে কি হ'ব পাৰে, ৰিলিজিয়াছ সেৰেমনি হ'ব পাৰে. একচুৱেলি how far we are responsible. Leela এজন ফ্ৰেণ্ড আছিল সুশীলাই লীলাক কৈছিল, সুশীলা told Leela that if somebody is watching a crime as not interfering, it is as if she is doing help to increase that crime. Lots of discussion goes on, তো আমি এতিয়া কাহিনী লুকাই আছো. তাৰপিছত সুৰিন্দৰ, নেনা's husband Surinder appears, then actually they finalize that there is going on a rape. The drama was based on a real incident. In the real incident also, or in the drama also, it goes over a periods of time for few weeks like that. So what happens? They finally decided to go and kill the culprit. Now they discuss over very many ideas, how to kill and how to handle the situation. They discuss about using steel rods, knife. Even they discuss about that they will shoot a video, then everyone will believe that yes, and it will be rare pictures, it will be sold. They also at the same time thinks about earning money, toka jate photo marim. কিন্তু এনেকে চাই তেওঁলোকে ডিসকাস কৰি থাকোঁতে কি হয়, নেইনা আকৌ খিৰিকীৰ কাষলৈ যায়. They were discussing how to handle the situation, how to go and how to wipe out the culprits. Naina goes by the window and she peeps again and she says, Naina কয় যে আৰু লাভ নাই. You need not bother anymore. Bhaskara কয়, what? Mohan, why? Naina, you are too late. The screaming is stopped. She half turns towards the window. There is no one left out there. So the culprits go away. তাৰ পাছত what are you saying? Surinder কয় কি গলেই নেকি, কি কৈছা? নেনা কয় they have all gone. তেওঁলোকে গ'ল. তেতিয়া লীলাই কয় then it must be over for tonight. তেনেহ'লে আকৌ এইটো চলিব. So এতিয়া কথাটো হ'ল, তাৰ পাছত নাটকখন শেষ হয়. কেৱল ইয়াতে উইণ্ডোখনত overhead projector দ্বাৰাও আমি থিয়েটাৰ পাতিলে দেখাব পাৰোঁ, বা over voice, so we can show it through projector on over voice, that what happens in that window, some slides are seen. Slides কিছুমান দেখুৱা যায় যে the play is based on an eyewitness account. The incident took place in Santa Cruz, Bombay, 1982. এটা ৰিয়েল ইনচিডেণ্টৰ ওপৰত যে বেছ কৰা আছিল এইটো দেখা যায়. And in real life, as in the play, no one went to aid of the victims. So here actually feminism is there, Marxism is there, but main concern is that how far we are responsible, that in a nearby building, under constructed building, through the window you can see that that building was not colored even. Many things are left out, I know, because it is only 20 minutes I have to cover because it is very difficult to upload, you know. And besides, I have to compress now because 20 minutes, 3 seconds. Okay, thank you. I assume that you have understood the story, basic storyline. So we will discuss later on. So this is the story of Lights Out by Manjula Padmanabhan. Okay. So thank you. See the video and try to encapsulate, grab the story.